Hello everyone, so if you want to access recovery mode on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, first of all, make sure to connect a cable from your computer to your laptop. Insert it into the charging port. Now we are to turn off our tablet, I'm sorry. So swipe down from the top of your screen, tap on your power off icon, press power off. And now, as it off, we are to locate our power button right here at the top and our volume up button. So hold them simultaneously. And we need to continue holding them until the Samsung logo appears. As it appears, release your power button, but keep on holding your volume up button. And so we entered our recovery mode. So here you can do a lot of things. Just go through them and do what you need to exit it and to navigate through it. So you can navigate it by using volume up and volume down buttons. And to make your choice, you're to use your power button. So let's choose reboot system now, and our tablet gonna be rebooted into fully normal mode. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.